5,000 lang na monthly equity, afford mo nang magkabahay dito. Labas pa lang ng bahay, maganda na, quality ang gawa at sobrang accessible ng location. Dito lang yan sa Tanawan Park Place sa Barangay Bagong Bayan, Hidalgo, Tanawan, Batangas City. 4 minutes away lang sa bayan ng Tanawan at Victory Mall, kaya naman napaka-accessible ng ating location. For as low as 5,000 monthly equity at 9K monthly sa pag-ibig, meron ka ng ganito kagandang townhouse na merong carport. This is the suggested expansion ng ating Jasmine Townhouse. Provision for 3 bedrooms and 2 toilet and bath, kaya naman sobrang spacious, tamang-tama lang sa lumalaki mong pamilya. Guard-gated din ang ating communities at meron ding mga amenities. Meron din tayong 2 entrance gate na may tricycle terminals at more future access roads. Limited na lang po ang available unit natin sa Face Park, kaya naman tara na at i-secure na natin ang iyong future home. For inquiries, just message me on the details below. This is Rochelle P. Moreno of Yesland Realty, your accredited real estate salesperson.